いちご大福作ります。
いちご大福作れます。
This is a handmade strawberry rice cake. It looks difficult, but it's actually easy to make.
いちご大福作れます。
Let's get started. 80 grams glutinous rice and 40 grams of sugar. Mix them together.
匂い。
Add 90 ml of water in the mixture.
いい匂いしてきた。いい匂い。
Mix well. Cover it with plastic.
バイバイ。
Microwave 2 minutes. Mixing again.
わあ、お団子すごくきれい。あむ。タクかけたよ。
Again, cover it with plastic. Microwave again. Mix it again. Put some cornstarch in a plate.
お餅。ことちゃんやる。これ。
Stretch it. Cut it into 4 parts.
ママやっちゃダメ。で、こうし。お父ちゃんがやるんだよ。
Stretch it. Put the sweet beans paste inside. Make it a round. Make a small cut in the middle of it.
はーい。
Put the strawberry in the middle.
これママだもん。これも。
It's done. Thank you for watching.